Gillian, what's that? What you got there?
Amy.
Yeah, this is what we call Amy. What you got on the table? What's that? Yeah, did you build that? Yeah. Agua. What are you playing with? Egos, yeah. Do you like Legos? Yeah, do you like Egos?
Yes, Egos.
Is that fun?